Okay, to make your sourdough starter for Friday, if you're going to make it, we're making a live culture. We'll get over the science with it on Friday. To materials you need, you're going to need a glass jar or something similar I'm going to use a paper towel with a rubber band. You can use just a cloth over the top, but not a lid. You need airflow in and out of the jar. Measuring cup, we're going to do a 1/4 cup flour. Stirring spoon, you need some water. You can use your salt. I'm just putting the water in the jar now. And then the important part is the flour. You could use any flour. It will probably work. It's best if it's unbleached, and it's best if it's whole grain. Any flour will do, but you will get better results if you at least have it unbleached. So it's pretty easy to do. All we're going to do is we're going to take a 1/4 cup of flour. I've got my 1/4 cup of flour. I stick it in my jar, and then the same amount or just a little bit less water. And I stick that in. And basically what I'm doing is I'm stirring it all up, and I'm getting water, and I'm going to use the natural yeast that's in the air. There's actually natural yeast in the air that is going to feed this culture, and this is going to become a living organism. And we take care of it like you would a pet. We're going to feed it every 12 hours. So it is 9 o'clock in the morning, or 9:57. It's 10 a.m. Tonight at 9 o'clock, I'm going to feed it again, and I'll show you how that works then. And all you do now is you stick your paper towel, or you can just stick a cloth over the top, and you need to make sure it's sitting somewhere above 70 degrees. And you let it sit, and then I'll video again tonight at 9 o'clock.